That is the baseball park over there, and it's completely underwater.
Mama, Jake's guitar that way coming up.
And the police are down here keeping everybody moseying along. There's a lot of sightseers just come down to see if the river's going to come up. Okay, so I just talked to a Parkville police officer down at the park and said that the evacuation has been lifted and people are returning. That's what we saw a little bit earlier. People are putting those things back in. Water's pretty high, but certainly quite a bit lower than expected, I think. Spillways are high. There's a soccer game going on, so it looks like crisis has been averted. And it's pretty good for Parkville because 93 was tough. 93 was tough on Parkville. Took out a lot of